Many traders do not bother with journals and rely on their spreadsheet records along with their broker's log, but this does not provide enough information. A trading journal is not just about recording your entries and exits, it's also about refining your strategies and understanding your psychology towards these strategies. A spreadsheet record is focused on statistics like profit or loss, win rate, or average trade expectancy, but a journal is more focused on comments. A journal can be very useful not only for tracking technical information, but also mental information about your emotions before, during, and after a trade. By tracking your mental state at the time, we can look back and get an idea of why we did what we did. If we did not make note of some of the mistakes we made and our mentality, then it becomes almost impossible to improve trading results. Okay, so now you know why journaling is important. Let's move on to what you should keep in your journal. Trade performance statistics in your journal can include the trades that fit your trading plan. However, you will also learn a lot from the trades you did differently from your trading plan. Your spreadsheet record for profit and loss, win rate, etc. will show this. However, it won't be able to filter out the trades which came from mistakes or a missed opportunity for a trade. You may also want to include trades you passed on because you felt they weren't quite good enough. Within the 2021 folder, if I click in February, you can see we have a separate folder for everything starting with all trades, wins, losses, and break-evens. Then we can see mistake trades, missed trades, past trades, trades for each strategy separately, and also trades taken with a different trading plan which we are testing out. Within the Mistake Trades folder, I will include details such as entering at wrong entry levels, closing out trades too early, incorrect position sizing, and so on, so that it can help us be aware not to make the same mistakes in the future. I strongly recommend, if you're using technical analysis, to also take screenshots of your trades with the analysis on the chart. Take a look at this example of a basic journal document template. Now I will show you how you can fill in this data. By the way, the letter R here stands for return on risk. So, for example, if it is 1% risk of my account per trade and it is 0.7 R, then it means I made 0.7% from that trade. In the comments section here, you can add in all the other things you wanted to record that you could not fit in the screenshot of your trade comments section. Take a look at the example I have written down here. As you can see, if you're a beginner, you do not need to cover so many performance stats and every other detail out there. Just try to focus on the bigger picture to learn the most from your trades. Keeping your journal up to date, it will help you treat your trading in a similar way to if you were to start any other type of business. The journal is for your benefit, so put down what you think will help your trading the most and prioritize the information which impacts your trading the most. You can use my way of journaling if you're just starting out. However, you will want to customize it as time goes by because each trader is unique. You do not need to spend a long time developing Excel formulas and so on to have an effective and easy to interpret journal. Do not waste your time building and updating something that tries to cover every small aspect, as this will likely distract your focus from the major facts you can learn from your journal. If you try to include every little piece of information, then this will probably make you less motivated to keep the journal updated, and you will then lose all the benefits of even keeping a journal in the first place. Focus instead on the major things so that you can improve them first, as they will make the biggest difference. If you learned something new and you are interested in learning more about trading, then make sure you subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out. Click the bell icon and click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Until next time.